vanilla latte, or excuse me, yeah, latte. Thank you. No. Thank you for your patience. Yeah. Thank you.
It's early, but it's only 7:20. But I didn't. What time did you go to bed?
Time did I go to bed?
Yeah.
Your mama clock.
I went to bed at like 2 a.m.
2 a.m. Was I already sleeping when you?
Sleep. I woke you up a little bit, you know.
I don't remember.
I woke you up just a little bit.
I don't remember that.
You opened your eyes, you were looking around, and I was like, oh no! It looks like I'm bald.
Oh, I'm sorry, I keep yawning. I don't mean to be doing that, but...
Oh, I'm so excited for my hash brown! We're headed to my mom's house, and we're gonna have some food, and there's gonna be family. Joshua's birthday was this week, as you know, if you've been watching the vlogs. And my brother's birthday was yesterday, so for the past couple years it's been easy to celebrate their birthdays on one day together.
It's a beautiful Sunday in North Carolina. Happy to be alive. You know, what more is there to say?
We're at the nature tree, and this is really pretty flowers, and they look like yellow blooms, and they're watered, and it's not spring yet, but I can't believe that the flowers are blooming. They're all around, and sometimes people come here to look at the flowers, and I think there's a little more on the other side. And yes, so these are really cute. I love them. I might want to pick one.
Let's see some close-ups of how pretty they are.
Yes, they are very pretty, and they are really blooming tonight. So thank you for watching. Bye. But thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and you give a comment to this, and you also give a very good thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you cannot comment it, but you also have to give a thumbs down. But it's okay. We can make another video that you can watch and like, yeah. So thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.